Going on the road. Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.
Good morning. Good morning. It's another beautiful sunny day.
It's gonna be 75 today.
In Quartzsite. It's gonna be 75. We're going on a ride.
Yep.
To see some burros.
Yep.
In Oatman. About 120 miles?
Yeah, something like
ducks. Axe throwing. Blacksmith metal shop. This is so cool. Ring the bell for help, please. Oh, what are you doing? Trying to get in that can.
Oh yeah, there's some little things that feed them. See?
Oh, beans.
Feed them if you want.
Beans. How cute is that?
Blacksmith metal shop.
Is that what you wanted? We should probably, let's look for a place to eat first and then check things out. Let's look for a place to eat first. No.
Spec.
My door. Well, because he doesn't do that very often.
So we're in this restaurant and they're having a shootout in the street, and apparently they're supposed to come in here and rob us. So we'll see how that goes. You stand right in the way, Harley.
They're gonna have to shoot that guy, that lady, and this lady over here.
Okay, you say when.
When? Okay, now we got it. You're gonna hear her.
Lady's all freaked out, holding her ear.
Cooking one day a week.
know, they really are cute, aren't they?
Buddy?
Hello, buddy. It's like, don't touch me. Who do you think you are?
Yeah.
Do you know who I am?
Henry? Oh, good.
Zoltar. So it seems like the burros know if you have food or not. They're not very friendly if you don't have food.
Oh.
The burros.
Oh, pet them. They just would rather have food.
No, we've experienced
See?
that before.
They do know what the candy bag is, don't they? They're pretty particular. Especially this one.
Oh, hey.
Oh,
So
really?
wanna feed them a little
You up?
thing?
There you go.
Hold your hand straight out.
Oh, yep.
Isn't that
He
cute?
said, no, he'll come and get it. Come and get that.
Look at that. Wow, nice. There's a price on it too. Oh, not for sale.
Oh, not for sale.
Yeah, that's cool. That is cool. Yeah. Wow. Look at this Captain America. Oh, they bought it underneath an auction. Auction for a cap. Not for sale.
Is it going now?
No, dude.
Do you want this? No, you're spoiled. You're spoiled. You're spoiled. There, you got a whole bunch down there. You're spoiled rotten. You're spoiled rotten. Yes, you better be embarrassed.
Somebody said help.
Oh, they're in prison.
Good, how are you? Yeah, thanks. Isn't that great stuff? E6000?
Oh, yeah.
Man, we had a three-wheeler on the sand dunes years ago. I had a patch of tire. 3 years later, it still helps.
Really?
That stuff's, you know, you lick your fingers, you can spray it.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, I got a quarter down on the floor.
I got a few of those off.
Mhm.
Here.
Play the piano, honey.
The piano.
Play a song on the
Hey, bud.
piano. Hello. Oh, it does play.
It does play. Does it say do not play?
Oh, look who's in the corner.
It's pretty out of tune.
Missing a hand.
Hey. Give me some food. I'm hungry. Give me some food. Some vittles.
You're gonna have to do better than that. Sheriff. There's a sheriff. Oh, here's the graveyard. 4 graves. Arizona Hotel. You are standing on the site of what used to be the Arizona Hotel in 1950. It was one of... Okay. It was one of 7 hotels that existed in Oatman during the early years. The hotel had 45 rooms and numerous baths. It had concrete firewalls and 2 separate water mains for fire protection purposes. Wow, that's cool. That was the original? 100 years ago. Wow, that's really cool.
Isn't that cool? Too bad they didn't pay their taxes, but not gonna take that out, you know.
Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.